What's up, everybody? Eric Solobox. Today I'm out in the shop. I'm powder coating some of these windscreen risers for Gen 2 KLR 650s. I've always paid to have these done commercial. I've never shot them myself, so this is the first time. So when you shoot powder coat, there's this thing called Faraday effect, in which the charged powder doesn't want to go into tight corners. And so what I've learned in shooting powder coat is you start to realize where the holidays are going to be at. A holiday is basically a spot that got missed. And so what I've learned with shooting powder coat is shoot those areas first. This bend is real tight on this side. This one's not as tight. So I shoot this first, shoot the back side of it, flip it around, shoot the other side. No big deal. Actually, I was having these done commercially for like $3 a set, which is so ridiculously cheap that honestly, I would be better off probably still continuing to do that. It's just time consuming to go through and do all of these. It'll probably take me two runs with the oven to get all of this stuff through. So, you know, I'm probably looking at, I don't know, it's probably gonna take me like an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes, something like that to complete this. Which, yeah, actually, I guess if you start thinking about the time it takes to drive to the powder coater and come back and all that stuff and unwrap them, yeah, maybe it's a wash, I don't know. But the convenience is a lot of why I brought the powder coating in-house, is because it's just so easy for me and so much better that when I need something, I want it now. I don't want to drop stuff off at powder coating and not know when I'm going to get it back. So anyway, I thought I'd just show you guys really quick what it is that I'm up to today. These, I only built 10 sets of these. Sorry about that. I only built 10 sets in this batch, which is a really small batch. And actually a few of them were pre-sold. So if you've got a Gen 2 KLR, I'll probably post this video around a little bit today and see if anybody else wants a set of these. But a few of them are already spoken for, but I've had people screaming for them. So anyway, never put parts into a cold oven. Oven's at about 116 degrees right now. A little bit of heat in there. So I will, here in a few, I'm gonna try to do 5 sets. So I've done 5 of the dashboards. Do 5 lefts and then I'll do 5 rights. Throw them in the oven, bake them off. While those are baking, I'll shoot the other 5 sets so that they're ready to go in at the end of the bake cycle. So anyway, that's about all that's going on here. I am just about out of side cases. I think I've got one more set in the house, so I need to build more of those. And I'm definitely behind on top boxes. I got like 3 or 4 top boxes that have been sold that need to be manufactured. So I'm gonna jump in and probably work on that tomorrow. In the meantime, I wanna get these done and shipped out to the people that pre-ordered. So anyway, that's what's going on. Eric with Solobox. I will talk to you all a little later. Ride safe, everybody.